In front of me is MEDIATEK KT107, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here locate and open display and mark wallpaper. And now you can pick the source that you'd like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be something from your own gallery, one from Live Wallpapers, or something from Wallpapers album, and I will pick this third option. And here you've got all the pictures that can be applied as your wallpaper, so you can check them. Obviously you can change the album if you want to. And let me pick, for example, this one, and then all you need to do is to tap on Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them, and I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, brand new wallpaper has been already applied on both home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.